Hello all, once again welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you a nice hair pack which will help you in increasing your volume of hair, address your problems like hair loss, split ends, all these problems. So the fenugreek is the major ingredient in this hair pack. So before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell button for future notifications. And also, if you like this video, don't forget to share with your family and friends. So, if you are making this hair pack before day itself, you have to plan. And I have, as I told you, fenugreek. We have. I'm just taking about 4 tablespoons of fenugreek, and I'm soaking it in the curd. So I'm not going to mention you the measurement of the curd. You just make sure it has to fully all this fenugreek has to be fully soaked in the yogurt overnight. So that is the quantity you have to use. So like this, finally you mix it well and keep it soaked overnight. So by the next day morning, you can make out all these fenugreek seeds become double in size. So this directly we are going to put in a blender and make a fine paste out of it. Before we are grinding it, we have to add another two more ingredients. Usually this curd will address you the problems like roughness of the hair, so it will make it more softer. And our fenugreek is full of vitamin C, A, and K that will helps in your hair growth. As well, I added half lemon. It will help you in addressing the fungus, if any, in your scalp. And then I have added the egg white here, one egg white. So I don't need to explain you about the egg much because it will remove the dullness and roughness. So as far as I consider, like this much watery quantity will be enough to grind it well. But if at all, if you feel you require little more watery quantity, avoid the water, go ahead adding curd more for this. So like this fine paste you have to make out of it. So you can see here. That's it. Now our hair pack is ready. So I am just shifting it into a bowl. So as you can make out, it is little thicker in consistency. When you are going to apply this in the scalp, you can make it little more watery by adding the curd to it. So this is what our today's hair pack recipe. So hope you all like this video. The applying process is like you have to apply it on the scalp, making it portion by portion and apply it on the scalp, and you have to leave it for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Even you can use it for your kids also who is above 7 to 8 years if they are really cooperating with you in taking bath and all. So after 1 hour you can just have a bath with the lukewarm water and don't apply any shampoo or soap for that day particularly. The next day you can apply the soap. So hope you all like this video. Please give it a trial and don't forget to mention the comments and subscribe the channel and press the bell button for future notifications. Thank you so much for watching.